Hey guys, how's it going? So I got another C10 here. Actually, I think you guys may have seen this in a prior video of mine. I did make a couple individual videos of it there a while ago back, but I had to erase them and kind of redo them all over again. So yeah, we got a 1970 Chevrolet Silverado, or just a C10. Here's the description. This guy's kind of changed it around a few times. So 1970 C10 from Saskatchewan. He's open to trades. That's kind of the new part of this. Looking for 1950 to 98, blah blah blah. It's not. I'm just gonna skip by that. Yeah. So no, I don't really care about that. But so it says solid body with the usual repairs, rockers and cab corners. He's got the prices of the rockers and cab corners. I don't know why he has that in there. That's just something somebody's gonna buy naturally, fix on their own. So it's kind of a, I don't know, waste of time putting that in there. That's be one little tick for that ad. Frame is in excellent condition. Parts are very easy to find. Like, we don't, something we don't really need to know. Anybody's gonna buy this truck knows about classic trucks for the most part, and they're gonna just do some research on the internet to find any parts they need. So yeah, he's also got something else in here. It will include an LMC catalog for inspiration. Yeah, something that doesn't need to be in there either. Make a great restoration project or a patina driver. $7,500 firm. So there's the ad there. Alright, so let's go through this. First glance, obviously it kind of looks like a Saskatchewan truck. Pretty solid. Well, I mean, at least the top end of this thing is. So first off, he's got a front pick. Okay, these are the type of pictures I like to see, like a front end shot. He's got a side shot. Pretty good. I'm not going to nitpick this one because he's got the whole truck in the picture pretty well. Just a little skim of the sides, but I'm going to forgive him for that one. But I mean, overall, it's a good picture. So you got a back shot here, pretty good. Again, pictures I like to see like that. It's got an under hood shot. Not bad overall. It's pretty well got the whole engine bay in there. It's got a door shot. Not bad. Can't really see underneath of it though. Assuming there's probably some rust under there, but this is an older project truck, so it is what it is. We can see the little bit of rust down here, so it's probably going to need a floor pan probably patch, I'm going to assume. And here's another shot of the side. So, and that's all. He's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pictures, so that's all we're going. He's got. So obviously it needs rockers, cab corner. It's hard to tell if that's all the way through, that rust down there. So it's missing a picture of inside the box. You can't see inside of it. That kind of sucks. And again, I mean, you guys know where I'm gonna go with this. He's got one shot of the door. I mean, would it kill the guy to have like a shot of the driver, the passenger side, and then shoot in from this side with the camera, so, just so people can see the rockers and stuff like that, or just inside just the interior in general. So yeah, like another 2, 3 pictures would have done the trick on this thing. But overall, this truck, it looks like it's not too shabby. I mean, I've seen worse. We've all seen worse. My opinions on this thing, if I were to buy it, I would probably just put a cab corner on it, fix the rocker, and whatever needed to be fixed for safety, and possibly just kind of sand this down and shoot this area with a little bit of primer, and then do the same up top, and a little bit of primer down here. And that's probably about as far as I would take it with this truck. 6-cylinder, definitely would put my 6-liter in this thing for sure. front end's not looking too shabby on this. Bit of a bent bumper there, but oh well, you can fix that with a ratchet strap. That's no worries. Wish I could see inside that box. That'll be a complaint right there for me. And then the doors, not seeing inside the interior is another complaint. But I mean, overall, like the paint, it's there. I mean, I don't think I would repaint this truck, you know, like I would just leave it like that. Maybe just give it a slight polish, maybe, I don't know, or just a wash or something like that. Yeah, just generally overall it doesn't look too shabby. Lack of pictures, and the ad, just the description in the ad isn't the greatest. I mean, he says it needs rockers and cab corners, okay, and that's about the only thing in this that would make any sense that this truck would need. Is just, you know, other than stating the year of the truck, where it was from, and then he's got trades in here for blah 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 stuff, and then stating the price of the rockers. I mean, that doesn't need to be in the ad. Just, he could have done without some of that stuff and just put in some extra pictures, and then if he wants trades for certain vehicles, okay, throw that in there too, I guess, but he didn't need the whole LMC catalog bit in there. My personal opinion. Let me know what you guys think. $7,500 for the price of this truck. It was actually $8,500 there a couple weeks ago back. It's got her down for $75 now. I mean, like I said, let me know what you guys think. I mean, I'm kind of on the fence with that price. I mean, maybe $7,000, I don't know. I mean, it's just the market of these trucks, you know, like everything's just kind of shot up, and it's like, what do you do at the end of the day? You can offer somebody $6,000 and see if they'll take it, and then I don't know. Is what she is. As far as rating this truck, I'll give the truck as a project probably a 7.5 out of 10, because it looks like it's pretty complete. I think everything's there, and it's gonna need a little bit of work. Well, minor stuff. Well, I mean, rockers and cab corners, and then who knows what the bed looks like. So I'm just kind of on the fence. So 7.5 out of 10 as a project truck. As far as the ad goes, I'm gonna give that a 3 out of 10, just because, I mean, there's just stuff in there he doesn't need or didn't need to put in there. Just kind of useless about the book and stuff, and yeah, he could have done with another, like I said, a few more pictures would have done it, and then less BS in the ad. So yeah, so 3 out of 10, 3 out of 10 for the description, and 7.5 for the truck. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Drop her in the comments as always. Alright, thanks a lot for watching. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Cheers.